Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Trallallero Trallala. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve up and over to the right. And then from the end, let's curve it back down. And let's bring it over and curve it down for the mouth. Now underneath, let's draw another curve over to the right side. Now top in and let's draw the face. Let's start with a circle for the eye. And color it in black. Then on top, let's add a curve. Now top over to the left and let's draw a small triangle shape and color it in black for the nostril. And then let's hop over to the right and let's draw a few curved lines for the gills. And that's it for the head. Now let's continue drawing the body. Let's start on top and let's curve it over to the right and back down for the dorsal fin. Now let's continue the body by curving it down and then bring it out. Now let's hop inside next to the gills here and let's draw another curve. Now from the bottom, let's curve it down. And another long curve down and back over from the other side. Now let's continue the bottom of the body by curving it over and continue it on the other side of the fin. Now for the next fin, let's curve it down and bring it back up. And then let's continue the bottom of the body again with a curve over to the right side. Now on top, let's add a fin by curving it up and back down. And then one underneath with a curve down and back up. Now at the end, let's add the tail. From the top, let's draw a long curve up and out. And a smaller one underneath. And then let's curve it down to close it off. And that's it for the tail. Now let's hop over to the left side and let's draw two more curves down for the last fin. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the pattern on the body. Let's start inside on the left and let's draw a wavy line over and then curve it up. Now let's add another wavy line across under the eye and next to the gills. Now let's add a V-shaped notch up and then curve it over to the fin. Now on the other side, let's add a curve over and bring it down. Now on the right, let's start on top of the next fin and let's draw a curve over and then curve it down inside the bottom of the tail. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the shoes underneath. Let's start underneath the left fin and let's draw a curve down on the left. And then curve it up and over. Now on the right, let's bring it out and down with a bent line. And then a line down. Now let's hop back over to the left side and let's curve it out and bring it down. Then let's curve it over to the right. And then one more curve across. Now let's move in and let's draw the details of the shoe. Let's start inside at the bottom and let's draw 2 curves for the sole of the shoe. Then at the top, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then let's add some curved lines inside for the laces. Now inside the toe of the shoe, let's add a bent line like this. And then on the right side, let's add the Nike swoosh. And that's it for the first shoe. Now let's add another one underneath the other fin in the same way, but a little bit bigger. We'll start with a curve again. And curve it up on the right side. Now let's bring it out and down. And another line down underneath. Now let's hop over to the left and let's curve it out and down. Then a long curve over. And one more across. Now let's hop in and let's add the sole of the shoe at the bottom. Angle down and up. And then curved lines for the laces. And again, a bent line at the toe here. And the Nike swoosh. Now let's add the last shoe on the right side. We'll start with the curve down and bring it down. And then on the right, a curve out and down. And close it off at the bottom. Now let's add a curve along the bottom for the sole. Then an angle inside and up. And then curves for the laces. Now let's add a bent line at the toe of the shoe and a Nike swoosh at the back. And that's it for the shark. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!